Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Heather Sindh Academy. JST Preparation according to syllabus. Today we have question 221. What is lesson explanation? Lesson explanation shown here. Answer is clarifying a topic. Clarifying a topic is the answer of lesson explanation. Join our WhatsApp group. We have given our number on display. Now we have next question 221. What is concept explanation? What is the concept of explanation? The answer is making ideas clear. Making ideas clear is the answer of question number 221. What is the concept of explanation? Next, we have question number 223 for JST preparation. What is school learning culture? The answer is value supporting learning. It is the answer of question number 223. JST preparation according to syllabus. We have question number 224. What is learning monitoring? How do you see the learning monitoring? And what is the answer of it? The answer is tracking students' progress. If you track the students' progress, it is the answer of learning monitoring. Next, we have question number 225 according to JST syllabus preparation. Rapid videos, we have question number 225. What is educational supervision? The answer is checking teaching quality. If you check teaching quality, it is the educational supervision. JST preparation according to syllabus, we have question number 26, 226. What is academic planning? How do you see the academic planning? The answer is planning educational work. If you plan educational work, it is the answer of academic planning. Next, we have question number 227 according to JST syllabus. What is class organization? How do you see the class organization? The answer is arranging classroom activities. Arrange the activities in classroom. It is the class organizations. According to JST syllabus, question number 228, we have question number 228. What is concept of clarity? The concept of clarity is clear understanding of ideas. Clear the understanding of ideas is the concept clarity. Join our WhatsApp group. The number is on our display. And now we have question number 229. What is academic responsibility? Academic responsibility is duty towards studies. The duty towards studies is the answer of question number 229. Like our video and share and also subscribe our channel if you are new. The next question we have 230. What is intellectual growth? How do you see the intellectual growth? The answer is development of thinking. The thinking development is the intellectual growth. Now we have question number 231. The question is, what is study persistence? How do you see the study persistence? The answer is continuing study despite difficulty. Despite the difficulties, continuing to study. It is the answer of 231. Now we have question number 232 for the JST preparations. What is classroom patience? What is the classroom patience? The answer is teacher's calm behavior. Teacher's behavior is the classroom patience. Then we have question number 233. JST preparations. We have question number 233. What is study commitment? The answer is dedication to learning. The dedication to learning is the study commitment. Like our video and share and also subscribe if you are new here. And just the preparation for question number 234. What is study effort? What is study effort? The answer is hard work in learning. Work hard in learning is the study of effort. Next, we have question number 235, and the question is, what is knowledge mystery? The mystery of knowledge is, try to give the answers, and the answer is complete understanding of a topic. Complete understanding of a topic is the knowledge mystery. Well, we have question number 236 for JST preparation. What is teachers' influence? The influence of teachers is explained as impact of teacher on a students. The impact of teacher on a student is the influence of the teacher. Okay. Now we have next question 237 for JST preparation. What is positive classroom climate? How do you see the positive classroom climate in your classroom? It's friendly learning atmosphere. Learns everything friendly. If you feel comfort, if a student feel comfort to learn something. Next, we have question number 238. What is learning determination? It is question for JST. The answer is strong will to learn. If you are willing to learn strongly, it is the learning determination. Next, we have question number 239. The question is, what is study organization? Try to get the answer in few seconds. The answer is arranging study activities. Arrange study activities is the organization, study organizations. Next, we have question number 40. What is learning motivation? How do you see the learning motivation? To motivate the learning of a student is to reason to learn. What is the reason to learn is the learning motivation. Next,